Hello guys, today we are talking about Old Boy movie which is created at 2003. It's a typical psychological revenge thrill movie which is made here in 2003 before I born. Let's talk about it. Imagine someone kidnap you without any reason, lock you inside a small room for 15 years and one day suddenly you realize no explanation, no mercy, only one question: why? This is not just a revenge movie, this is one of the most disturbing psychological thrill movie ever. The name is Old Boy. Well, we are talking about director. The director name is Park Chan-wook and his main protagonist is Oh Dae-soo, which is character name. He is a normally ordinary drunk man living in a normal room, but one night he get kidnapped. When he wakes up, he finds himself trapped inside a mysterious private room. No any kind of human connection, no window, no human contact, only television, food and silence. Days become a month become a year. Up 50 years long ago, he has no idea what he's doing, who kidnapped him, why he is imprisoned, or whether his family is even alive or dead. And then he suddenly realizes it could be done by his enemy, but suddenly he released after 15 years later. Just like that, but freedom isn't freedom anymore. Now his entire life has only one mission: find the man responsible, who kidnapped him, who implement in prison. Well, we are talking about why this movie is special. Most of the movie revenge focus on action, but always movie focus on pain, mental pain, loneliness, anger, madness, and behavior. This movie suddenly turns the audience uncomfortable because every answer creates an even darker question and a deeper Dae-suk investigation that more horrifying that the truth becomes. Well, here in this movie you can't remember any kind of a great action, but there is only one legendary scene every cinema fan remembers: the hallway hammer fight. No fast cuts, no superhero action, just one executed man fighting dozens of enemies in a narrow corridor. It feels raw, brutal and real, with nothing but a normal with a hammer. You can imagine that there is a dozens of enemies around him, and if he singly fight with only one hammer, it feel really look like a raw and real, and it feel brutal. And our main protagonist never not show any kind of mercy on enemies. Even today, this scene considered one of the greatest action sequences ever filmed because of its one cut shot, bro. One cut without any kind of cut is feel raw and real. If you are talking about psychological impact, the movie is not easy to watch. It's play with trauma, memory, guilt, revenge, and human psychology. Even characters feel broken inside, and the film constantly asks one dangerous question: can revenge actually heal pain, or does it destroy everyone involved? Let's talk about the ending without spoilers. The final reveal in Old Boy is absolutely shocking. Not just because it's unexpected, but because it changed the meaning of the entire movie. When the truth is revealed, you don't feel satisfaction, you feel empty, disturbed, and that emotional damage stay with you long after the movie ends. Well, if we talking about performance and direction, the main lead actor is Cho Ming-sik. He delivers one of the greatest performances in thrill movie history. You can literally feel his range and suffering through the screen. And the director Pang Cho-wook created a dark atmosphere that feels stylish but terrifying at the same time. The cinematography, music, and camera work are unforgettable. And also, female actors also doing a great job. Both male and female actors feel like a real character. Well, guys, Old Boy not just a movie for everyone. It's dark, violent, emotionally disturbing. But even if you love psychological thrill with powerful storytelling and unforgettable twist, this film is masterpiece. And guys, this movie is not for children because of this movie is strictly prohibited for children because of there is a more 2 or 3 bold scenes are there, and 1 2 bad scenes, and nudity and psychologically traumatized for children. It's strictly prohibited and it's only for 18 plus persons. Okay, if you are 18 plus, then go and watch it. I will give him 4 out of 5 stars. Yes, guys, it movie deserve what they did in 2003. I like this movie. If you watch, then you also like it. Okay, guys, bye.